Dear students, in my previous video, I have discussed that how we solve the numericals using Newton's divided difference interpolation formula. In Newton's divided difference interpolation formula, what we do? We will be provided with a set of data where the set of data are not equispaced, and for given x or the desired x, we have to find y. So this was a very simple problem with the formulas. So today we will discuss some very interesting and important problems which can be solved by Newton's divided difference interpolation formula. Okay. So you see the first example. So the set of data is, this is x and this is y. X is 1, 2, 4, 7 and 11. Okay. And y is 3, 6, 15 and 40. But this data is not given. Okay, so this type of problem is called as missing data. This is missing data. Means if this is the set of data for 11, we have to find what is the value of y. See, let us see how we solve it. Solution. So we are considering only 1, 2, 4, 7. Okay, and corresponding to that, the values are 3, 6, 15 and 40. Then this is the given data. From this given data, we will find the first order divided difference, that is x0, x1. Okay, so x0, x1 is 6 minus 3 by 2 minus 1. The result is 6 minus 3 is 3, 2 minus 1 is 1, that is 3. Similarly, 15 minus 6 by 4 minus 2, that gives 15 minus 6 by 4 minus 2, that gives 9 by 2. Here 40 minus 15 by 7 minus 4 gives 25 by 3. So this is our first order divided difference. Okay. Then you find the second order divided difference, that is x0, x1, x2. So how we get it? This minus this, that is 9 by 2 minus 3 by 4 minus 1. If we calculate, the result is 1 by 2. Similarly, 25 by 3 minus 9 by 2 divided by 7 minus 2. So the result is 23 by 30. Then the third order difference, that is x0, x1, x2, x3. So this minus this, that is 23 by 30 minus 1 by 2 divided by 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1, the result is 2 by 45. So this is our divided difference table. Then we have to find the value of y for x. What is the formula? Y of x is equal to y0 plus x minus x0 first order, that is x0, x1 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into second order, that is x0, x1, x2 plus third order, that is x minus x0 into x minus x1 into x minus x2 into x0, x1, x2, x3. As at this point the table is completed, so we do not write more. Then you just put the values. Okay, we have to find the value of y at x equal to 11. So for this case, here x is equal to 11. Okay, so we have to find y at 11, that is y0. What is y0? y0 is 3 plus x minus x0, x is 11, x0 is 1 into x0, x1, this data is x0, x1, that is 3. Okay, plus then this term that is x minus x0, x is 11 minus x0 is 1 into x minus x1, x1 is 2 into x0, x1, x2. This result is x0, x1. This result is x0, x1, x2. That is 1 by 2 plus. Next, this term x is 11 minus x0 is 1 into 11 minus x1 is 2 into 11 minus x2 is 4 into the third order divided difference, that is 2 by 45. So if you simplify, you will get the result, that is y of 11 is equal to 106. So this is the answer. That means even if the value of x is known in this table, the data is given from 1 to 7, but at 11 we have to find what is the value. So at 11 the value will be 106. Okay. So we will discuss another problem. Now we will discuss the second example, that to find the reciprocal of a number. Okay, so now a number will be given, say 1, 2, 3, anything, and you have to find its reciprocal. If 3 is given, its reciprocal is 1 by 3, means you have to find the value of 1 by 3. Okay, for this problem we have tried to find the reciprocal of 3, that is 1 by 3. Okay. See how we will work out. We will make a table x and fx, that is 1 by x. So we are considering the value of x as 1, 2, 4, 5. Now question is, what is the technique that you will decide the value, because this value of x is independent. So under what technique you will consider these values? You see, we have to find 1 by 3. What is the denominator? Denominator is 3. Means 3 should be within this data. If we consider x as 1, 2, 4, 5, then within this there can be present 3. Okay, so that is the idea, that how we select the value of x. So here we select x as 1, 2, 4, 5, which are not equispaced, and for 1, 2, 4, 5 we are finding the values 1 by x. For 1 it is 1 by 1, that is 1. For 2 it is 1 by 2, that is 0.5. For 4 it is 1 by 4, that is 0.25. For 5 it is 1 by 5, that is 0.2. So this is the table what we made it. Okay, then we find the first order divided difference, that is x0, x1. Okay, and you know the how we calculate the first order divided difference. Okay. So first order divided difference x0, x1 is this 0.5 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. That is, just I am writing 1, 0.5 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. What is the result? The result is minus 0.5. Similarly, for this 2.5, 0.25 minus 0.5, the result will be minus 0.125. And for this case, minus 0.05. Okay, in the previous problem we have discussed that how we find this divided difference. So this data is this minus this by this minus this. Similarly, minus 0.05 is 0.2 minus 0.25 by 5 minus 4. The result is this. This is the first order divided difference. Then you find second order divided difference, x0, x1, x2. The result is minus 0.125 minus 0.5 divided by 4 minus 1. If you calculate, the result is 0.125. Then for these two data, this data minus this data divided by 5 minus 2. The result you will get, that is 0.025. This is our second order divided difference. Then you find third order divided difference. Okay, so this 0.025 minus 0.125 divided by 5 minus 1. So you will get minus 0.025. So once we find this, then you find the formula y of x. What is y of x? That is y0 plus x minus x0 into first order difference that is x0 x1 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into second order divided difference, that is x0 x1 x2 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into x minus x2 into third order difference, that is x0 x1 x2 x3, and here we stop because this is our last column. Now you put the values. You put x as 3, that is y of 3. When y of 3 you see means at x what is the value? The function is 1 by 3, that equal. Then you put the values here. Y is 0. What is y0? Y0 is 1 plus x minus x0. X we have selected 3. Okay, for this problem x is equal to 3. So x minus x0, that is 3 minus what is x0? X0 is 1 into x0 x1, the first order divided difference, that is minus 0.5 plus x minus x0. X is 3, x0 is 1, x is 3, x1 is 2, this is x1 into second order divided difference. This one is second order divided difference, that is 0.125 plus x minus x0. X is 3, x0 is 1, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 4 into third order divided difference, that is minus 0.025. Okay, so if we calculate, we will get the result that is 0.3. That means the approximate value of 1 by 3 is approximately 0.3, what we found by using Newton's divided difference interpolation. Okay.